Well, everyone, iOS 26.5 is one of those updates that just came out, so you might be wondering basically what to do if this update is just not installing. Now, there's a couple of things to remember here. Within iOS 26.5, the first number one big thing to remember is that you will need to have a Wi-Fi connection or a cellular connection or something like that. So make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or connected to a cell connection, along those lines, because that's going to end up fixing this problem for a lot of people. So go through and make sure there's not a problem with that. Now, the other thing, you might also want to go through and make sure that you're basically having enough storage saved on your iPhone. So tap inside of your iPhone storage panel here, and I would recommend just going through and just clearing out as much storage as you basically can. If you're almost running out of storage, that's going to be the main problem. If you're not almost running out of storage, then you should probably be okay. Now, another problem you might run into here too is that if the update is still not installing and you're not really too sure, exactly kind of what's going on here, the other thing I'd recommend doing is to try restarting your iPhone. So go through, hold the volume up on the side button, try going through and try restarting your phone. You might also have to go through and just make sure your iPhone is plugged in and or charged. Sometimes you might just have to charge up your iPhone, and that can be another slight issue that you might run into as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I got you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.